Namaskar. Hello friends. I am Tasneem Safi and you're watching my channel Tasneem's Vidyan Shastra. Welcome to Simple and Smart Learning. As you know, we have started with General Science Class 8 and we are going to see the second lesson, that is Health and Disease. From that we will study about page number 8. As you know, that we have seen about the various diseases till dengue. Today we are going to see about the page number 8, observe and discuss, and related to it some more concepts. But in observe and discuss we will see this is with you and me. So when we are going to sit in front of you in the classroom, that time we were discussing detail, but today we are going to see only the points related to it. So here they have given the mosquito, that is Aedes aegypti, and from that mosquito how it causes the disease and what are the related concepts to it is given. So you will see on the top about the pot there are, you can see in each picture there are some blank spaces left, so that blank spaces you have to fill. So in the right corner what it is, the reproduction of mosquitoes where the water logged, okay, there we are getting. Then below that immediately we are going to see one machine is there, so there you have to write accumulation, that is also a cause of breeding, or even you can say down the water cooler. Then a baby is there, so there you have to write infection to babies. Then below that it is a cycle, that is the larvae are there, or you can say the guppies where the larvae are produced. Then up you are going to see one man, he is having the fumigation process by the insecticides, and there is a mosquito repellent. So these all are related to mosquitoes, how the mosquitoes or how they breed, how they cause disease, and how we have to take the control over it. Okay, so this is what the related things about the given dengue and reason and preventive measures already we have seen in the last part. Now moving ahead, collect information, it is given in the right corner. You will see a box which means are taken for mosquito control by Gram Panchayat Municipal Council and municipality of your area. So which measures are taken by the municipal council in our area? So this measures are taken by cleaning of the drains, gutters, pit holes, road, and no collection of water. Then a pure and clean drinking water kept in all the possible areas. And the active panchayat committee group, they are taking lots of, you can say, efforts related to the cleaning process. Then there is a spray in the medicines on the daily basis, or spread awareness, or even you can say there is the fumigation process. Through fumigation all the mosquitoes are killed, and continuously after every alternate days the fumigation is done for the prevention and control. Then you will see the awareness program, that is we have to spread about the different diseases, organized free camps near the slum area or near the government centers or near the schools and the offices, where the different types of government schools are arranging such programs. Even you can see the campaigns like pulse polio vaccination, do boon zindagi ke, this type of vaccination are done, and awareness programs are arranged in various sectors of the government, you can say the government offices or the schools. Not only this, but nowadays the India is on the cleanliness mission, and most of the cities are having such garbage vans, that is ek kadam swachhata ki aur, and this one particular a small word means this vans are continuously moving, garbage van, kachra gadi, continuously moving in each and every area twice thrice in a day, with the two different colors and the two different compartments, where one is the wet garbage and the dry garbage we have to throw in that. So it gives a new life, that is खाई है हमने कसम, बढ़ाना है एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर. So in this way they are giving us a awareness that we should clean our area to clean, and we should keep all the things properly in the dustbin, and we have to throw properly in the garbage van. Okay, so this is what the simple you will see, the small acts are taken by the government or the gram panchayat for the cleanliness purpose. Now there is one more, you can say, part, that is the malaria. Now this malaria, do you know, on page number 8 it is given that malaria is caused due to the female Anopheles, while elephantitis due to the female Culex. So here some of the mosquitoes, you will see how these mosquitoes, they sit on our body and they just bite and they insert the sting, and from that they suck the blood through our body, and then they leave the insects or the virus in our body. In this way they cause the diseases. There are different types of mosquitoes are present in our surrounding. Here you will say that is a female Culex. This female Culex, it grows in the sewage, dirty water, while the Anopheles, you will see this Anopheles, it grows into the clean and fresh water. So see, wherever you were having the water logged or wherever the water is there, the larvae of this mosquito grows, whether it is dirty, whether it is clean water. So everywhere you will see the mosquitoes are there, and we have to take the preventive measures, control over such mosquitoes to save ourselves. I hope you got the clear idea that how this organ or the blood meal in our body, and these mosquitoes finds the blood vessel and they inject their proboscis and they suck the blood from us. And you know the itchy bump, एक छोटा सा you can say the बम्प जैसे आ जाता है हमारे बॉडी में, एक स्वेलिंग हो जाती है रेडिश कलर वाली, and then it gives rise to the infection. So this is how the mosquitoes are present in our surrounding. Then there is one more disease, that is the swine flu. This swine flu is really an infection occurs through the pigs and the humans, from animals to humans. The virus of swine flu are spread through sweat of infected person, or it is also spread through the secretion of nose, throat and the saliva. Now new strain of influenza virus that causes similar symptoms of regular flu. It originated in pigs but spread from person to person. Swine flu became headline in 2009 when it was first discovered in humans and become pandemic. This disease is also pandemic, where easily it spread all over the world. It is also recognized by H1N1, and it is higher contagious and spread quickly. So with the simple sneeze, cough can cause thousands of germs to spread in the air, and the virus linger everywhere: table, chair, door, handle, machines, doorknobs, various things which you are using in our surrounding. Maybe the virus and the whatever the small bacteria of swine flu are sitting here and there. So the virus, whatever it spread through also the saliva, sneezing and coughing. So what the symptoms of this virus are there? So you will see the symptoms of this saliva virus, that is difficulty in breathing, sore throat, body pains are there, influenza like flu problem we are facing, chills, fever, coughing, sore throat, runny nose, body aches, fatigue, diarrhea, vomiting. Many things are there that we are going to face with the help of swine flu. And due to this swine flu, our different body parts affect, and it gives the different you can say problems in our each part of the body. You can see in this particular figure how the lack of appetite is there, how we are become lethargic, then we are having the nausea, we are having the vomiting, diarrhea, coughing. Different organs face the problem. So swine flu affect each and every part of our body, and that's why we face that very much problematic. It can diagnosed by the sampling fluid from body and analyzed in laboratory. So these sample of our body, that is the saliva or the fluid taken from the body, and then it is sent to the laboratory. And for the diagnosis of swine flu, the liquid from throat of the patient is also taken to the laboratory or the diagnostic facilities through the National Institute of Virology NIV Pune and the National Institute of Communicable Disease NICD in Delhi is present. So such type of things are taken care, and precautions and preventive measures, then we have to take care of it. So drugs of the antiviral are recommended, and for this we have to drink plenty of water, we have to take plenty of rest, we have to improve our immune system with proper healthy diet, we have to take a proper food and not liquid or you can say the hot liquid fluid, soup, hot water, honey water, many things are there. Then frequently we have to wash our hands with soap, we don't have to touch our nose, our eyes, our mouth, or even whenever we are facing such problem, we have to stay at home and we have to work from home. We have to avoid the large social gatherings. You know, the first case of swine flu was responded in Mexico City in 2009. Swine flu is caused by virus influenza called H1N1. So in this way this disease spread. So such diseases are present nowadays in our surrounding. So today I am just recording today the video for you, that is the month of July 2020. We are facing a great problem, that is the coronavirus. This is also the same pandemic virus, corona, same like swine flu. Now this year in 2020, this disease that attacked all over the world, that is the corona, it is also identified like COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by the coronavirus. So then what is this a coronavirus? है क्या ये coronavirus? Infected people will experience a mild to moderate respiratory illness. It spread primarily through droplets of saliva discharged from nose, mouth when infected person sneezes. So when you sneeze, this all viruses that spread all over and immediately it got to the healthy person's body. It also affects the respiratory tract of the birds and mammals, mice, rat, dog, cat, turkey, horses, many animals it affects. And the virus causes common cold, then heavy cough, fever. You will see the different types of, you can say, the problem we are facing related to the cough and fever, sore throat, and high amount of allergic, you can say, the sore throat. Then the researchers first identified the coronavirus in 1937, since they have the evidence of human virus in 1960. In 1937 it came in the human, not in the human but animals, but now in 1960 it identified in the humans. And the name corona came from the crown like projections, that is Latin word halo, crown, it is called as an corona. Somehow the virus, it looks like that only. In 2019 the researcher started monitoring the outbreak of new coronavirus, that is SARS. So corona V causes COVID-19. First time identified this virus in Wuhan. You will see that the China, the birthplace of this virus, in 2020 was spreaded all over the world through the China. Since the virus has spread to nearby every country, and WHO who declared the pandemic disease. You know, the symptoms for this disease are chills, fever, cough, shortness of breathing, difficulty in breathing, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, fatigue, headache, muscle pain, loss of taste and appetite, smell, vomiting, diarrhea. The same symptoms are mostly same in the influenza and the flu, but the effects are very dangerous. This COVID-19 is responsible for millions of infectious patients globally. You know that, and causing thousands of lakhs of death. You will see here in the Italy now today to July 2020, the no vaccine is still available for it, so many people are dying. You will see that the China and America are in the highest rate into the death because of the corona virus. So you have to take the precautionary preventive measures. For that, you have to take the proper rest and avoid over exertion. You have to drink plenty of water continuous. You have to wash hands, even though if you are touching anything, immediately you sanitize yourself, wash your hands, wash the equipments. Whenever you are taking vegetables, fruits, milk, wash and take. Always keep mask on your face, cover your face with the mask so that it will not spread. And especially avoid smoking and alcohol. Continuous keep yourself clean. So that's why it will help you. And always stay away from the public places and social gatherings. Don't get, or you can involve in the social activities and meet. You have to stay home, stay safe and stay aloof and save yourself as well as your nation. So in this way, nowadays the corona is in the highest rate, but still the researchers are researching on it, and surely the science and technology will find a vaccine on it. Hope for the best. Okay, so now let's have and look towards the AIDS. That is the another disease, that is AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, the long form of AIDS, and this is caused by HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity, and this diagnosed AIDS occur due to the touching to and sharing the food with HIV infected. No, not at all. It does not occur due to touching. It does not occur due to sharing the things, but one's behavior with HIV infected person must be normal. We should treat them with love. So HIV छूने से नहीं फैलता है, छूने से प्यार फैलता है. So this HIV, it caused by the virus, that is human immunodeficiency virus, and it targets or the immune system. It attacks to our immune cell, that is CD4 cells, also white blood cells moving around our body. It reduces the ability to combat other diseases. That's why we feel weakness and loss of appetite, and body become pale and thin, and a long life infection. This is the cancer pose, or it may go rise to cancer also. People transmit HIV in bodily fluids, including that, you know that the semen's, vaginal secretion, anal fluid, breast milk, blood, or sharing the equipment for injected drugs, hormones and steroids with affected person, from pregnant woman to child. Many people do not show symptoms for many years. So human immunodeficiency is a virus that attacks cells that help the body fight injection. So that's why you have to take the precaution of this particular HIV virus. And not only this, the symptoms are fever, chills, joint pain, muscle aches, sore throats, again sweating, enlarged glands, red rashes on the body, tiredness, weakness, blurred vision. And when it goes to the high third, you can say, stage, so your vision become blurred and you are unable to see, you are unable to hear, diarrhea, continuous coughing, white and yellowish spots on your mouth, face and body parts, and continuous breathing problem you face. So we have to take the preventive measures. So it can be diagnosed through the blood or the saliva testing called as an ELISA. ELISA test is used for the HIV, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. This is the name of ELISA test, which was introduced in 1971. This test detects major antibodies in our blood, and these antibodies are proteins that blood produces in response to harmful substance. So this is what the simple about the HIV. And this infections you can cause various problem. So the HIV was first reported in an African species of monkeys, according to the National AIDS Control Program. Now 80 to 85% HIV infection in India occur through unsafe physical relations. So this is what about the HIV. Let's go ahead with the another topic, that is page number 9, infections through animals. Yes, animal may cause the dangerous infection on our body. So here they have given can you tell. This can you tell questions you have to read and you have to use your brain power and you have to find out the answer. So we are going to study about the infection through animal, that is rabies. This is a viral disease and it occurs due to a bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat and few more animals like bat. So virus enters through the brain via neurons and it causes lots of problem in our body. So what is this rabies? So it is a disease transmitted from animals to the human. You know, domestic dogs are the most common reservoir of the virus, with 99% of human death. Because of this virus, most of the people die. This virus is transmitted in saliva of animal, and you know that how the dogs, they are continuously keeping open mouth, hallucination, and continuously they are breathing very strongly. And what happens, the saliva is always falling here and there. So this saliva enters after the bite in our body, and then this symptoms includes, or you can say, neurological problems and fear of light and water. So because of this bite, when the saliva enters through the wound which enters in the peripheral nervous system directly and then migrates to the brain, and their brain inflammation it causes. And when there such problem arises at severe problem, then the brain starts behaving negatively and it shows sometimes the symptom like dogs only, because it enters the nervous system. There it produces acute inflammation of brain, coma or death. The person is more like experienced to hyperactivity and hydrophobia. Means hyperactivity and hydrophobia ने पानी और लाइट से डर लगता है, that is the hydrophobia. So now symptoms, that is the incubation syndrome, acute neurological period, and then coma and death. It is really dangerous. After animal bite, near about 3 to 12 weeks after that, it starts producing the disease, that is the fever, headache, anxiety, sore throat, coughing, nausea, vomiting. Then after the incubation, when the disease goes on the adverse period, then it shows confusion and aggression, partial paralysis of the body, rigid neck, hyperventilation, difficulty in breathing. The person may breathe like dog only by opening the mouth and saliva is coming out. Hyper, you can say salivation. For water there is a problem, that is a hypophobia or fear of light. In this way the hallucination they face or the nightmares they face, and this causes the dangerous effect. So for that the prevention and precaution should be taken. So after bite, immediately wash and scratch that particular bite for 15 minutes with a soapy water or detergent. Continuous wash with a disinfectant 10 to 15 minutes, and immediately go to the doctor. Apply providone or iodine on the detergent on that particular site where the animal bite. A series of shots to be given. It can be injected into the arms for 2 to 4 weeks. Olden time, this particular series of shots are given in the stomach, in the belly. Near 14 shots are given in the stomach, and those who are having the pet, they have to take care of it. So whenever you are playing with the pets or animals, you have to take the precautions that such animals are, you can say, vaccinated. And whenever you see the street dogs or stray animals, immediately report to the local authorities or the municipal corporation, and directly do not approach to the wild animals or the stray animals. Stay away from such animals, it may harm you. So for that you have to take preventive measures by your own. You are only your own self, you can say, the doctor or the fighter. But if you are taking care, then only it's okay. If you are taking it leniently, yes, we should have the animal pets, we should have, but it is not like that you should give whole your life for the animals. No, not at all. God has created everything for the nature only. So animals, keep the place of animals at animals only, and be safe and safe. So this is what all about our page number 8 and 9 through the general science textbook. Many more things are there. So they have given in the textbook that these all things you have to find out through the internet, my friend. You have to watch some of the videos related to rabies, related to, you have say, the HIVs and most of the infections animals, and you have to collect the information for the preventive measures of such animals. You have to make a list of it. So for that, keep textbook in front of you, visit to internet and find out the information. Till then, I hope you got the clear idea regarding this particular topic of animals and the diseases and the health. So, if you like it, please visit to the channel and like it. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind.